How to clean and maintain your air conditioner for better cooling and fresh air. Is your air conditioner not cooling properly? The problem might not be the AC, it might be dirt. Clean your filters every 2-3 weeks with water. Let them dry completely before reuse.
Wipe the indoor unit and keep vents dust-free for better air circulation.
Keep the outdoor unit clean and ensure proper space around it for smooth performance.
Set your AC to 24 to 26 degrees and keep doors closed to save energy and improve cooling. A clean AC gives better cooling, fresh air, and saves money.
Take care of your AC, and it will take care of you. Don't forget to clean it regularly.